Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. I have planned from today, Monday the 1st, up until Sunday the 7th of June. And each and every week, this is how I do it. It's a way that I plan out everything that I've got to do, but I also have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once. I would spread it over time, such as days, weeks and even months, but it's been really good so far. I haven't had to spread anything over any time. But I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I used to do a bit of swimming, but that's on hold at the moment. I have a regular dance routine that I'm really enjoying, and I'm getting my exercise in as well with that. I listen to music, my favourite podcasts. I listen to audiobooks. I do take a nap if necessary. I paint my nails if I feel like it. And I usually have a regular pedicure at the salon. I find it really refreshing to have my feet done at the salon. If you've just joined me for the very first time, thank you very much. Welcome along. It's great to have your company, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. Each and every week I follow the Fly Lady Zone cleaning method, and I also have got a little compulsory one that I've put together for my own sanity where cleaning is concerned. Yes. Okay, so Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry all the clothes. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack them all away. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I do my budgeting. What I do each week, I do all the beds, I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, I clean the front of the house, and at the moment I'm working on my toilet room. I've just highlighted it here just so I don't forget. I can easily forget that I have started working on my toilet room. So that's why I've highlighted it here. I'm not quite sure what days I'm going to fit it in or how many days, but as long as it's here, I can just do it when I have my energy levels are doing good and I can manage some work in there. It's zone 3 this week. I will be cleaning the shoe area, the skirting boards, the thrones I will be cleaning, my bookshelf. I've got some filing to do and I've got to trim Archie, but I trimmed him yesterday because sometimes I've mentioned this before, if there is something that I see that needs doing in the house and it can be done at that particular time, I just get on and do it, and I think, okay, great, so I can tick that off the list. I don't go around looking for things to do, but if I do actually see something, I'd say, oh, let me do it now, and then that means that's ticked off the list and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So yesterday I did Archie, I trimmed his face. On a Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak. Wednesday or Friday I have a manicure if I feel like it. I've just put them in these 2 days. Those are flexible days that I can work with, so that's why they're in both days. I can either do it on a Wednesday or a Friday, or I can do it on both days. It just depends how I feel. Anyway. Oh dear. Thursdays I've got a bit of ironing to do and it's movie night. Saturday, crafting. I like to craft all day, so that's why I've got crafting here. And I've got my my cups just to remind me to hydrate, keep hydrated. Everything is subject to change. Nothing isn't set in stone. Sometimes I tweak everything. I add or I might omit stuff. It just depends what's going on throughout the days and the week. It's kind of a light week, I have to say, but Trust me, I'll find things to do. I really would. I'm changing around some stuff at the moment at home as well. But it's mainly my head right now. And I've been making all my notes. I've been writing them down and stuff. I really feel that I need to do a little bit of changing around home. So that's what I'm working on at the moment. In the meantime, the house has got to be cleaned, isn't it? I've got to cook. You know, I have to eat. And life goes on. These are the washi tapes I used this week, and I used a couple of my gel pens. These are so cute. I did say that I wanted to start using them all up because there's no point having them and they're just sitting there. And I used this blue pen. This is my Stydler. And I just highlighted work on toilet room with this one. And also I did ink up all the edges of my images. And my images have come from the wonderful one and only Pinterest. I do love Pinterest, I do. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.